Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be reviewing a fragrance from the house of Creed. It's none other than the King, Creed Aventus. So stay tuned. First of all, I would like to thank my very good friend Nico Rivera for making this video possible. Thank you so much, Doc. Creed Aventus was released in 2010, and the noses behind this fragrance are Olivier Creed and Erwin Creed. And for the notes, we have the following. On the top, we have bergamot, black currant, pineapple, and apple. For the middle, we have birch, patchouli, rose, and Moroccan jasmine. And for the base, we have musk, oak moss, vanilla, and ambergris. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. For the presentation of Creed Aventus, first of all, it comes in many sizes: 30, 75, 100 milliliters, which are the newer bottles, and the 120 milliliter bottles, which are the older batches, and the flacons as well, which comes in the bigger bottles, the very big flacons. Now, what I have here is the 120 milliliter bottle, and this is the box. In front, we have here Aventus, the man riding on a horse. Creed, 120 milliliters, 4 fluid ounces. On the back, we can see here information regarding this bottle. And on the top, we can see here Creed. And at the bottom, we can see here the batch code and the barcode. There. And when we open the box, we can see here this information. We have this paper right here. You can pause it so you can read this, guys. There. And we have another paper right here. Now, I think this is the history of Creed. There. You can pause it, guys. There. In addition, the cardboard inside the box should be all black, including the middle part of this cardboard box. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but the part sandwiched between the outer layer and the inner layer should still be black, not white. That's a sign that it is fake if it's white. So just be careful, guys. There are lots of fakes already in the market because Creed Aventus is a very popular fragrance, so be very careful with the fakes out there. And for the bottle of Creed Aventus, this is again the 120 milliliter bottle. In front, we have here Creed and the Aventus, the guy riding on a horse. At the back, we can see here, there, information regarding the Aventus. And at the bottom, we can see here the batch code. I don't know if you can see it, guys, right there. And the cap. This is, guys, a very prestigious cap. Crown. Look at that crown. This bottle screams royalty. Royalty, success, victory. And this is the sprayer. Right there. And for those who are asking whether they have an original or a fake Aventus, under the nozzle, as you can see here, it should be plastic, not metal. If it's metal, it is fake. By the way, the batch of my Creed Aventus is 16E01. There, 16E01. I'm not that familiar with Creed Aventus batches, but some say there are batch variations. I'm really not concerned about the batch variations of Creed Aventus. I'm just concerned with the overall smell of the Aventus. Now for the spray of Creed Aventus, it sprays something like this. There, it sprays a big amount of mist. Very good sprayer, guys. I'll spray it here on my left hand. There, very good mist, guys. One of the best sprayers I know. And that's for the presentation of Creed Aventus. For the opening of Creed Aventus, oh wow, this fragrance really does scream victory and success. This fragrance opens up with this very fresh, fruity, citrus, crisp, clean pineapple birch opening, and the birch maintains the balance in this fragrance, preventing the pineapple from being too loud, too citrusy, and it adds smokiness in this fragrance. And the lemon is just in the background, you can barely smell it, and the opening is really natural smelling. I can't detect any synthetic vibe in this fragrance, and that synthetic-less opening differentiates this Creed Aventus from its clones. For the middle part of this fragrance, I've sprayed Creed Aventus about an hour ago already, here on my right hand. And yes, nothing much going on the middle part. What you sprayed on the initial spray, you'll still smell it in the middle part of this fragrance. It's a very linear scent. So for the dry down of Creed Aventus, yes, nothing much going on still in this fragrance. Still the same, what you sprayed in the initial opening, you'll still smell it at the dry down. The only thing that became more prominent is the musk. So for the development of this fragrance, it opens up with this very fresh, fruity, citrus, crisp, clean pineapple birch opening, and the birch maintains the balance in this fragrance, preventing the pineapple from being too loud and adds smokiness in this fragrance. And that stays the same up to the middle and up to the dry down of this fragrance. In the dry down, the musk will start to come out and become more prominent. There's really nothing much going on in this fragrance. It's a very linear scent. And who should wear this fragrance? Young adults up to the grown-ups can wear this fragrance. I won't recommend this to young kids because this fragrance leans more towards those who are in college, working people, up to the grown-ups who are successful already in their profession. And when should you wear Creed Aventus? Anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. In short, it's a very versatile scent. It's a perfect casual scent. You can wear this as well as a date scent because here in the Philippines, only a few people own Creed Aventus. It's very expensive here. Well, generally, it's a very expensive scent, so it's still a unique scent. And you can wear this one for formal occasions because like what I've said a while ago, this fragrance screams victory and success. And how many sprays should you wear Creed Aventus? Just 3 sprays, guys. 2 behind the ears and 1 behind the neck, and that's it. You're good to go. Let's go now and rate Creed Aventus. Now for the scent, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because guys, no further explanation needed. This fragrance really does scream magnificence. It's a magnificent scent. For the uniqueness of this fragrance, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 as well because guys, this is the original. It revolutionized the pineapple note. For the projection of this fragrance, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because this projected on my skin for about 4 to 5 hours. And for the performance, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because this fragrance lasted on my skin for about 10 to 12 hours. And that's a good performing fragrance. And for the sillage, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 as well because this fragrance leaves a decent scent trail. So for my overall rating of Creed Aventus, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10. The final question is Creed Aventus prescription worthy? Definitely yes. Guys, there's no other explanation needed. This fragrance is really a must-buy fragrance for fragrance collectors out there. But if you're just an average individual just looking for a perfect signature scent, then I won't recommend this fragrance. Why? Because this fragrance is very expensive. This Creed Aventus will cost you about $300 US, 15,000 pesos here in the Philippines. And if you're just an individual who's just looking for a signature scent, this fragrance will be really expensive. So why did I mention that this fragrance is a prescription worthy fragrance? Well, for the scent. Guys, this fragrance really smells good, guys. Creed revolutionized the pineapple note in this fragrance, and that fragrance really works wonders for everyone. I know this fragrance will get you lots of compliments. Not only compliments, this fragrance projects a lot. This fragrance performs very much, and it leaves a decent scent trail, and it's a very versatile scent. You can wear this one anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. A perfect formal occasion scent as well. So what can you ask for more? The only problem with this fragrance is the price. But the price you are paying for Creed Aventus will match the quality that you are getting for this fragrance. The fragrance contains very quality notes, very quality ingredients, which you can find with the Aventus clones out there in the market. Nothing beats the original. Creed Aventus is one of those fragrances wherein you love it regardless of the bottle, regardless of the design, regardless of the house or brand which it represents, regardless whether it's a niche or a designer, you love it the way it is. Many will argue that you should get the original Creed Aventus. I agree with them. But if you're still saving up for money or you don't have the budget, then you can go with the clones. But again, guys, nothing beats the original. It's still Creed that will win my heart. No wonder they call it the king. Well, it is indeed the king after all. You heard my review. Now what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? Creed Aventus. Do you own this bottle or do you have Aventus clones? What other Creed fragrances do you have in your collection? Which one is your favorite? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedson for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!